guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new and don't know me, my name is Shanice, and today I'm going to be making Jamaican Indian curry chicken. So I say that it's Indian style Jamaican curry chicken because I am going to be adding in a few Indian flavors. Now this is a Jamaican curry chicken because we're using ingredients such as pimento and Scotch bonnet pepper, skellion and thyme, which are of course distinctly Jamaican flavors. If you are interested in a tutorial on how to make rice and peas, which is common as well to eat with curry chicken, then you can go ahead and check that out, and I'll link it as well somewhere in this video. I've already cut up and washed the chicken. I basically just chopped it up. It's really important to wash it with some type of acidity. You can use vinegar. I prefer a lemon or lime. When you're ready, put it in a bowl and we are going to get to seasoning the chicken. So you're gonna need a whole onion, 4 cloves of garlic, a good handful of Jamaican thyme, Jamaican scallion. You can use a whole Scotch bonnet pepper, but this is pretty much a whole one and it's hot, so I'm gonna use it. And as well, some green seasoning. So there's onion in this, there's garlic, there's scallion, pepper, and that's basically it. And you blend it all up with a little bit of water and you get this. Next we have a few powders. Of course, salt and black pepper, whole allspice or pimento seeds, garlic powder, some onion powder, the Jamaican style curry powder. The more Indian ingredients, if you will, that we're going to be using is roasted Jeera, masala, the whole Jeera or the whole cumin seed. So I'm just gonna let these things fry up until they're kind of cooked, and then that's when I'm gonna add in the chicken so that the chicken can be cooked in those flavors. I'm gonna take the stove off of high now that the chicken is in there, and I'm just gonna put it on medium. So this is what the chicken looks like after 30 minutes. At this point, we're gonna add the seasonings that we talked about earlier, the raw seasonings. We're gonna add some hot water to this. So we got 4 potatoes, 1 whole tomato, a whole onion, 2 pieces of the Scotch bonnet pepper, the whole scallion, and of course, the handful of thyme. So all of that goes in the pot. This is what it looks like again after another 15 minutes. As you can see, the water is kind of boiling down a little bit. At this stage, what you want to do is taste it for salt. I purposefully did not add a lot of salt during the initial seasoning because you need to decide you want to add more or less. It's really up to you. So I did taste it and I did determine that it needed more salt, and so I added salt. The chicken is pretty much done. The gravy has gone down a lot since the very beginning. Also, the chicken is kind of coming out of the gravy now. Like, as you see, it's not totally submerged in water now.
A little bit of Jamaican hot sauce, grease one, just like this. It's like a nice beautiful chicken.
So that's the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching and it was informative and hopefully very easy to follow. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos while you're at it. I will link it somewhere here in the screen so that you can keep on watching while you're right here. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below and I will definitely answer those. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Thank you. Tilt the camera down because I want them to see
It can't tilt down.
just this part. Yeah, there you go.
Then you can't do that yourself. Why you tell me to do it for?